I'm Ron Leathers. I'm with Pheasants Forever, and I'm the Public Finance Director. I manage all of the public contracts and the grants and agreements that our organization has with the federal government, state governments, local units of governments, foundations, all those other sources. The whole mission of the organization is upland habitat. We're a 501c3 organization. We restore and protect habitats, predominantly upland habitats for pheasants, quail, other wildlife. We're national in scale. We're about an $85 million organization, have chapters in 40 states, I believe. We got this major influx of grant revenue that came in the door, and we really didn't know how sustainable that revenue was going to be. Didn't want to really staff up, not knowing kind of how durable that revenue stream was going to be. We also needed a real specific skill set, and we needed it right now. What we were looking for is somebody that could manage projects, that was able to understand the standards and the specifications, and it's lengthy. I mean, both on the federal side and on the state side. And Jess responded to an RFP, had exactly what we were looking for with her project management background, her legal background. She fit all the bills and checked all the boxes, and it was a great fit. In our world, particularly in the nonprofit world, you've got to have a lot of empathy. She's incredibly empathetic. She knows where those people are coming from. She knows where my project managers come from. She knows that they're biologists, they're not administrators. And she's patient. She works with them and helps them understand at the end of the day. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about understanding why we need to be where we're at. You know, that's been a huge strength of hers. In the government world, you deliver, and if you don't continue to deliver on all your promises, you know, from the day that you put that habitat on the ground until you report to the taxpayer on what you did, if you don't do all that right, you don't get funded again. And so, you know, we didn't want that to be a one-time shot of revenue. We wanted that to be sustainable, and she's really helped us to make that sustainable. We're in, I think, our 7th year of that particular funding stream. We're seeing continued growth, 27% growth in the public finance world year over year, which is astronomical. And she's really played a central role in helping us be compliant, helping us deliver on our promises to our taxpayers, partners, and then that's resulted in more sustainable revenue. I don't think we would still have the revenue streams that we do if it wasn't for our relationship with Jess and just that dedicated person